Okay, for this show, we've got 4 questions that we're going to practice the distributive property with. So negative 3x times 2x plus 5. Multiply the negative 3x with the 2x term to start with. And then multiply it again with the 5. So negative 3 gets multiplied with a 2. And then we've got an x and then another x. So we're going to group them first. And then we're going to group the second batch here as well. Looks something like that. Then negative 3 times 2 is equal to negative 6. X times x is x squared. And we've got an addition. Negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. And an x. So you could leave it this way, but there's a little less writing involved in the actual answer if you change this adding of a negative into just a subtraction. So that's a slightly cleaner answer for you. So that's A. For B, I'm going to do something a little different here as well. I'm going to change this question so that it's 5y times 11 plus negative 1 times x. I'm going to just change that to addition and use this subtraction as a negative 1 coefficient for the x. So 5y times 11 is the first part of the distributive property. Then we're going to add 5y times negative 1x. So 5y times 11 is 55y. And plus 5 times negative 1 is negative 5 times y times x. Again, same as the last question, I'm adding a negative, so to clean up the look of the final answer, I'm going to turn that into a subtraction, and it's going to look like that. 55y minus 5yx. Part C, 2a times negative 3a plus 8. So 2a times negative 3a plus 2a times 8. Using the distributive property. I could group them up, but I'm going to skip that step. I'm going to say 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. A times a is a squared. 2a times 8, 2 times 8 is 16 plus, or times a. So we have negative 6a squared plus 16a as your answer for C. Alright, so I'm going to rewrite this one again because it's got that subtraction. So 6k times negative 5 plus negative 3k. So now 6k times negative 5, 6 times negative 5 is negative 30, and it's k. 6 times negative 3 is a negative 18. K times k is k squared. Now, I'm noticing that I've got a degree 1 term here and a degree term 2 here. The degree 2 should come first. So I'm going to rewrite this as negative 18k squared. And then instead of addition, this is a negative 30, so I'm going to make it a subtract 30k. And that is probably your best solution for D.